Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulsi. Today's topic is reversing a K group of nodes in linked list in Java. So let's get started. Okay, our task is here. There is some input list is given to us. Input lists. So let me assume that this is the input list, and the size of this input list is 11. So the size is 11. Now what I'm doing is my task is you have to reverse, like for example the k value is 3. Take 3 nodes, reverse them, and add it to the output list. And again, take 3 nodes, reverse them, and add it to the output list. And again, take 3 nodes, reverse them, and add it to the output list. And if the remaining nodes are not greater than or equal to 3 or k, now what you should do, you should not reverse them. You should, as it is, add them to the output list. So how you are doing that? First of all, what I'm doing is, so I'll explain with some example. Okay, so what is my size? My size is 11. No. Now what I'm doing is I'm always checking is my size is greater than or equal to k or not. Let me take k as 3. Yes, 11 is greater than 3. Now what can I do? I will run a for loop k times, and I will take a temporary list. So this is the temporary list. Let me assume that, okay, so there is some temporary list. What I'm doing is I'm taking the first node. I'm taking the first node here to the temporary list. So I'm taking this value and I am deleting this value from this input list, and now I'm adding it to the temporary list. And again I'm going and I'm taking this value and adding it at start of the temporary list. Then only know it will be reversed. Now I'm deleting this node and again going here, adding that node value here at the beginning of the temporary list and deleting this. Okay, so this is my temporary list. Now what I am doing, I am adding this whole list to this output list, and again same thing happened. Now what is my size? My size is 11 minus 3, that is 8. Is 8 is greater than or equal to k? Yes. Now again I will traverse 3 times. The first one I will traverse. Again my temporary list will be new. So what will be in my temporary list? I will create a new value of 4, and this will be my temporary list. Then again I will go here and I will add the node with the value 5 at the beginning of this list, and I will remove again. I will remove this. And again I will go here and add the node of value 6, and I will delete this. So 3 times over now. Now this is my another temporary list. This will be added to the output list. Okay. And again, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Again, is 5 is greater than or equal to 3. So that what I'm doing, and again I'm taking the first node. Now, what will be my temporary list? I'm creating a node of value 7. And now I'm deleting this. And again going here and adding at the beginning, deleting this. Again going here, adding at the beginning and deleting this. Now 3 times over. So this is the temporary list. This will be added to this output list. And again 5 minus 3, that is 2. Is my 2 is greater than or equal to 3? No. What I am doing? I am taking the temporary list again. But first of all, I will go to 10 and I will create a node with value 10. And I will delete this. And again I will go up to size only. Up to size only I will go. So first iteration over, second iteration. No, I will not add at the beginning. Now I will add at the end. 11 is added. Now this will be attached to this output list. That's it. It's very easy to implement. Now again it will be deleted. So what is the size of the array? Sorry, size of the linked list 0. Now what I will do? I will do this all process until my size is not equal to 0. If my size is equal to 0, then it will come out of the loop. Now I think you have understood it theoretically, but now we can implement practically. Okay. Okay, let me continue. So what is there in my main.java? I created a linked list L. and I'm passing 1 to 8 elements into this linked list. So what is this insert at end? I already implemented that function. Insert at end at the beginning. I already made the video on how to insert a node at end. So I'm inserting every node at end. Now what I'm doing, I'm calling the linked list dot reverse k group. Okay, reverse k group. I'm passing this L, 8 and 3. Here 8 is nothing but size of the linked list and 3 is nothing but k is equal to 3, k value. Okay, the return will be the return linked list will be stored in this k reverse linked list. Now I'm calling k reverse dot show. Show method will show every element in the linked list. Now let me implement that how to reverse. So what is the first thing we have to do? Okay, what is the first thing we have to do? I'm creating some linked list, some resultant linked list, name result, and pointing it to null. Now, I already explained at the beginning of this video that I'm doing that process until my size is greater than 0. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm always creating some temporary list. Okay, temporary list. Okay, I'm always creating a temporary list. And what I'm doing is I'm always checking the condition is my size is greater than or equal to k. If my size is greater than or equal to k, then I am running a for loop k times. For it, I is equal to 0 and I less than k and I plus plus. I am running k times loop. Now what is the first step? I am storing the value L dot get node value at position 0. At position 0. Now what I'm doing, I'm deleting the node. Deleting a node at first. So that is the reason I'm always writing here 0. Because one I will explain with an example. Okay, so let me take this is the linked list. Let me write with easy manner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me take this is the linked list. So what you are doing, you're storing the first value in this value position. Now you are deleting this one, and now you are adding this into the temporary linked list. That is the main thing. So how to add in the temporary linked list? Temp dot insert it first. You are inserting it the first, and again you are coming here. You are storing this value in the val, and now you're creating. I mean, you are again inserting it at the first position only, not at the end. You are inserting first, then only it will be in reverse order. Okay. Let me continue. So what is the next step? So I'm deleting the first node and temp dot insert it first. Insert it first. So what is the value? Val. Now to here clear, and again I'm decrementing my size minus is equal to k. That's it. What is else condition? What happens if my size is not greater than or equal to k? Then I'm just running the loop. Okay. I'm just running the loop from int I is equal to 0 and I less than size and I plus plus. The same thing happens here. So first of all, in the value position, you're storing L dot get node at value of 0th position. Now again, you are deleting node at first. And now what you are adding, you are not adding at the first, you are adding at the end, because if some elements are remained, you're not reversing them. So insert it in. What is the data value? Now again, you're doing size minus is equal to. That's it. So these are the two things, but after that you have to do something again, because after storing these values into this temporary linked list, you have to store it in resultant linked list. So how to store that? Okay, don't worry, I will explain it. What I will do? Initially, my result is pointing to null. So if my result is equal to null, then I'm just simply doing like this. Result is equal to 10. Okay. Otherwise what I'm doing, I'm just taking some like current is equal to like result dot get. I'm traversing up to end of the one. So I will explain, don't worry. Okay, so that dot next is not equal to none. I will explain this part, don't worry. So it is equal to next. So end what you're doing, that dot next is equal to 10 dot get. Okay. I want to explain this part, this else part, both this if and else part. Okay, I will explain this part with an example. Okay, so your given linked list is like this. So let me take like this. So what you're doing, for suppose my k is equal to 3 and my size is equal to 5. First of all, what I'm doing is my size is greater than or equal to k. So I'm taking in my temporary linked list, what will be there is 3, 2, 1. This is the actual thing. But still my resultant is equal to null because there is nothing here. So what I'm doing, I'm just simply, okay, result is equal to 10. Means I'm storing the same value as it is. Because as there is none, so I'm storing the same value as 10. Now again, what is happening is, so my size will 5 minus 3, 2. Here 2 is less than 3. So in my temp variable, without reversing only, what will be there? 4 and 5. Now in the else part, what I'm doing is, so this is my resultant one. So this is my result. So in the resultant linked list, this is my resultant linked list. Now I'm taking some current node which is pointing to result dot head. Up to my current dot next is not equal to null, I am traversing this. See here, current dot next is not equal to null, so current come here. Again, current dot text is not equal to null, current come here. Here, current dot next is equal to null. So I will stop here. Now my current dot next will be temp dot head. This is my temp dot head, no? So this current dot next will be temp dot head. So like that, if the resultant is null, there is nothing in the resultant, then I'm just doing result is equal to 10. Otherwise, I'm traversing through the end. Now I'm attaching it to 10. Temp is attached to the resultant linked list. So that is this two parts. Okay. Now, what is the remaining one? We completed all the things. I think the last part is returning the result. Okay, we return result. That's it. Now let me save this. Okay. Terminal. Space main dot where is main. Yes, see here. What is my result in? Okay, let me do like this also. Dot show. Let's do this and let me again run. See, what is the L here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the key I am passing? 3. Means 1, 2, 3 is reversed, 4, 5, 6 is reversed, 7, 8 is not reversed. That's it. That's it about this video. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. I think you have understood this. The coming up video is decimal equivalent of binary linked list. Okay, we can discuss in the coming up video. And subscribe to my channel Quick Coder to get notified for the further videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.